You look tired, take off the bag of your bottle. No, man, when you're born, you want your back taking.
Wonder who can get them to sell.
So we have to be shy. That's much. Then I look good still in your beers. Enough money this now. I love that.
You can't use this video, your little. Only fun. You can't use this video, only fun.
I want enough money. I'm here. Oh, good times.
Me know see you. Where you brought me shop for? You ever give me the money? For help stock shop? Where you gonna me shop for?
So Landy, am I only thief round ya? Eh?
Me know see you.
You see me break your shop?
Me say me know. The shop empty, clear out.
Hello, I know him alone as thief round here, cause him not thief no pad, I buy we buy pad, we not thief pad. We only thief money, and money we thief and expensive things. We don't want no out to your shop, my girl. Now what? You not look for every day, so don't worry about me.
Yo, I'm running a lane here now. Calm down. Shh. No like nice man a lane here. Where's that one?
This a girl that come try disrespect me. Come have a place in front of me, woman. I can't tell me about me a thief.
Calm down.
Hey, I'm the only thief around here.
Calm down, imagine now. If you feel same thief things then, you don't have in your house, right? May I give you permission? Go in your house, go check if it's in your house when thief find you. We get all right to beat him. Not have a call.
Yeah, looking at me house. Looking at me house.
Me have a look. Me have a look.
Go look. And the thief not out there.
And hurry up.
Look. You see nothing in there for you? You see nothing in there? Nobody look under my bed, man. Nobody look under my bed. We don't empty me chippy from, man.
Me not coming in a good mood, you know.
Lady, don't make me disrespect you. Don't make me have to disrespect you.
Calm down.
You see nothing in my house here.
No in there.
Me I know, so me not so thief.
Don't clear up that. Alright? That's good. Alright, so, what we go do now? Enough thieves about it, man. Jamaica.
You must really do a thief a Brazilian here come give a foot by your head.
You have to know. Jamaica full of thief of high places. So, and I look when them down here say alone a thief. Them I learn from the best. So, you have to just secure your place. Put camera there. And your phone, technology that one place I know, a small broken in your place, alarm you look for your phone. Sorry about that though. So, every time things missing, you can't choose one somebody because every time they say someone a thief, you then call him thiefy. You understand? So, I don't know what them call them name for.
I don't like some of a broken shop, me I know them the type of thief there.
Alright. Anyway, what me I say now? Thief back some fast somebody because of the country road.
So, yeah, man.
Alright. You never know my box, you. If you never know, that me I tell you. Now
You know who she is?
Sorry.
Me didn't even know who she is.
Abibo family, you know?
Oh, yeah, that's not my daughter. Listen.
Abibo family, son.
That daughter, everything good, man. Me I find a thief here, yeah? I help you find a thief.
We mess, you know. We have to be careful, you know. You better lease all land and lease on things more than them mix up with thief. Make them mix up with lease land and lease that. You've done a thief and thief that. Don't worry yourself though, but if you see a mouth to get in a problem, the girl, I feel people they run the place, right? I know me no want to mix up. The bad boy them carry the thing them with iron teeth. You know what I'm talking? I don't want to come up with that thing right now.
I'm a woman I go out, you know.
Alright, go on down now. Don't go on now, but then.
Me a locksmith.
Alright, go on.
Come on.
Go on do the thing.
So because PSP was just up.
Babes. You know some people that take you for idiot?
Who that?
The people that go link a while ago, man. Eh? All if you want to sell this to them. You think me a stacky? Me not stacky, you know. Me not sell this to them so cheap. We want to make a piece of money off of it. You know it go.
Well, all we have to do is find somebody who will pay the money or make them take it on the price we are giving for.
it don't make no sense to sell them for so cheap, so might as well we just sell it to somebody else. So you just have to go up on the road go find some other people repair.
True, because
But me not come with your car, so much weather they on the road right now.
Say like a rain while go father. We not go up on the road no rain. The rain a blow as it blow, you know.
And you go I'm going to watch out the road.
Yeah.
And then you can come back. Me fresh and early, you know, you easy to sweat and stuff. A joke. You're not tired to smoke?
You're not tired to look good. Eh?
No, you need to
You're not tired to look good.
You need to say if you go hurry up, sell you something then so you can get more money.
You're not tired to look good.
Yeah. No. Can't tell it look good. All if enough for you. So, what do you want for dinner? Come hungry.
Where go to? You have a cook?
No, I cook.
Get some fried chicken or something.
Alright.
David.
Hold that.
I'm Andre, man. Also, I want to shop around and myself some goods around now.
Alright, how much money you plan to spend?
I have a see goods them for Mr. Game on one.
Alright. You don't know why I'm here.
Also.
Lock here. Make sure you know.
Awa, me no know. Awa, but me see a fella.
What you follow me for?
Who ya fella?
Kuba koya.
Who ya fella them for?
What you had now? Shut up your mouth, look at me tell. Hey, me not like you from man, I'm no eat.
Yo, man, why you talk to me, woman? You know?
Oh, you say you never take me. Oh, you say you never take me. Oh, you say you never take me. Ah! Flick him. Stop your head. Yes, man. Run. Not that run. Come here, brother. I'm up back to you. But no man sitting them here. Me not sell them here, no, brother. At least me beat him for somebody. Somebody might come beat you.
Why pray I know me general?
Alright, you are going. We need a minute with you alone. Make your big one on.
No man, she good man. She good.
Brother, you move like a silk boss, you know.
Bray, go on now. You know you got my boss. I'm a woman. You know you go.
Alright. So you know the type of business I'm do say. A poker box me deal with, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, so I I want a little warrior to come run off the business to me. I see in the community I get a whole heap of little problem. When I see you, you remind me of myself when I was younger. You know, a whole heap of little mix up. People say me thief, people say me that, people say me this. But at the end of the day, I pick up the pieces and I better myself and I do business now. So I want you to come run off the business with me. What I actually want you to do, when you go at each one of the bar them, collect all of the money them I win and go deposit the money for me.
We are talking about boss, them listen me do. I collect things one for me. I can manage you, man. Yeah, man, anything one for me, I them listen my life, we collect. Anything one for me.
Alright, so when do you think you can start?
When I want to start? Right now, if you're ready right now, I'm ready right now, you know. Just make a when no money don't touch me hand. Alright,
so you ready to get ready? And when you're forward, don't Susie bar. You just call her, make sure you say, yeah, come. And just go pick up. See?
Alright, no problem, man. Right. There, man. I feel your number this.
Yeah, man, my number, save it.
Alright, then, alright. Ray!
Yeah, man, did I say?
You wanna say, right now, all of the money them want I collect, and me I go collect them. So you know that go?
So like me say, yeah, I control things now.
Everything me have done, you know.
I like. Oh God, you that mean say? We're gonna upgrade and things, flash and party, what I party them?
Anything you want.
What you say? Hotel and them thing there? Everything.
You want
big
hotel,
money
you want nails with dough?
Right, that's
Right.
All
Anything.
right,
Brazilian,
that sound good. Come tell
Peruvian, any one of them.
That me like here. Come tell you that this little automotive and thing. Come that is one big money.
You're gonna be able to buy your mama a house. You're gonna be able to spoil yourself. Yes. I mean, what? Yeah? When I see me coming here, I need to be treated with respect. I'm work too hard. That's right. When I start go so, and start go so, and start go so.
That means
The close we start I go so, and I go so. Ah, you ready?
Right.
Hold on.
What would they call it?
It's the ball that come. What do you want to say?
Not for answer.
Are you ready?
Wake up! Yeah, sleep. You know where you're there? You can't see me? What is that? Hey, let me tell you this. Where your man number? Punch the number on your phone. Punch the number on the phone fast. I don't want to hear nothing from you. Wait till I tell you more. Punch the number. Hey, how do you pick up the gun? You want me go for the gun? You think that joke business is punching the number right now, fast?
Steve woman them, they kidnapped me.
Where is that? Which one are you there?
Yo, give me this, man, yo, me serious and a blood spilling. You think I joke? You see how she? Hey, tap it nice, man. Make sure so the boss get the money that me I talk about. You can't go nowhere, so let's stay this one. Yeah.
dirty enough.
Babes, watch out. Just relax and tap nice, man. When we relax and cool out so until they're gone.
Anytime. Go out until night.
Just
Sure.
alright, come on.
Tell us you know if you take so much time and the money, you know. You're not here.
Oh, so when you did not get the money, you never too much. Eh?
Too much, me tell you if you not take too much, we could have still work with what you take.
Just tap it nice, man, because you see you make me almost dead to come for your white people in place.
So now you make them kidnap me. Come on, man.
Okay. You're not on belt.
The last belt we did have, your father died with it in our waist. And I don't buy another belt from that day until now.
I'm kind of running late too, you know.
Why you never press your clothes? Your clothes crush up.
The first thing, man, but that throw me drop asleep and I put on my clothes and they drop asleep. So I'm going to run late. Drop asleep. I'm coming late this morning, you know. Hotel business and I can't manage the money. God knows. Just want to sort out some money and just left France, literally just left the hotel business. No work out. Too much long hours, mommy, me I tell you.
Alright.
And then we can't collect no tip.
Okay.
No, just trust.
Just sit down. Sit down. I understand about the work problem. Them not pay good. And you're under stress. And the people work, me know say you're tired when you come home. But don't worry yourself, my son. God will provide. But you know what? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you how you come up. And you have ambition too. You grew up with a lot of ambition. You come out better than some of your friends them. Because all the other day me they pass. And me see your friend Jonathan underneath the piece and I can't believe saying they smoke.
Yeah, a long time I even see them boy, you know. I never really friend like that.
Are your friend? Remember say you and him go to same school, same class.
Yeah, mommy, I understand. But when you go to school and when you left school are two different things. When you come out now and you're going to work and reality lick you start to say, oh, some friend thing and it really make no sense. Cause yeah, I have to try to make some money, you know. And we link up, if we see each other, we link up each other, yes, but I just say that.
That is true. I'm proud of you anyway. I'm happy if you know, say, me did really bring you and me never dash you away because I don't know what I would do without you. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, remember to fill the prescription for me because I need the medication. Remember, say me sick bad.
Me have them months, me have them now. So me have to go fill them before I go work. I'm now come off so too late tonight and by the time I left work, the pharmacy probably locked already.
Okay. Me need you to get a girlfriend. And a nice, decent girl. Me no mean no old streggy or no ghetto girl. Remember, say me sick and I need somebody who very ambitious and will take care of you. And me need you to take care of she just the way how I take care of you and you take care of me. I need a lot of grandchildren. It is time now. So make sure you get a girl. Bring her come to me and make me see her. I can't wait for you to have one girlfriend.
Mommy, you say mother and man now. I can't deal with them. Then different. I'm an old school kind of guy. I'm like the old school man. Them mother and man, the way I thinking, I can't deal with it. They're not ready for no future relationship or no building no empire no. They just want to go put on this and fast that. I can't deal with that. I need someone who's responsible and know what they want. Big woman.
That is true.
Yeah, big woman.
I understand you, but I hope you pick the right person. Choose the right person, my son.
Mommy, me not really rush nothing still. I not tell no lie. I really not rush nothing because you know that girl that broke me heart really though, man. She broke me heart. She mashed up my meds like literally. About a year now me actually single and me have to give myself time right now to actually go in a serious relationship. Me can't not rush nothing that now. Really not rush nothing. If somebody come and serious, then fine. But show me say you're serious. You can't manage it by talking either. Nobody come to me with him talking. If you're not serious, don't talk to me.
Okay. I understand. But you are run late. Go on a work.
Alright, shit. I
love you too.
Come look.
You look alright, you know.
Alright. Later. Love you, mommy.
Love you too.
Yes. Yeah, man. Remember it. What's your name? What's your name?
Shay,
Where you from?
why you wanna know that?
Come on, I'm not trying to disrespect you or anything. It's just that you come out and you look so nice. I mean, I would like to get to know you.
I'm a man full of sweet talk, so. Because myself in work, me no want no man, me no want nobody.
Shay. I'm just trying to have a conversation with you. I'm actually running late. I'm just going to get some medication from my mom. And I try to go work with. I don't want to actually talk to you again, actually. Or go on a date with you or something.
Yeah, disturb me fries. It's all I get
Come on, Shay. You're too beautiful for this. I'm not trying to disrespect you or disturb your eating or your fries or your evening. I just want to have a conversation because you seem like a very nice girl. And you know somewhere deep down inside of you, that's not how you really talk to me about. Probably you're hungry still.
You're right about that. I am very, very hungry. So I time now if you really attack me.
I'm sorry, but can I have a number?
Hungry is me give me number. It's because me new to the area and I want to show up.
Alright, I don't want that to be your only reason. Where you go?
424 65
65
10.
10.
Yes, that is it.
So 424
65
65
10.
10.
Yes.
424 65 10. Alright. I'll call you, alright?
No problem.
Alright, enjoy your stay, you too. Where you so late? You can't sleep?
No, so I don't like when you stay up on the road so late, you know. That's me no want nothing to happen to you.
What you may have to do end up the double, man. I'm tired of them something, you know. I'm tired of it, man. Like, what's your medication, man? I'm gonna stay up so late, man. Alright. I hustling.
Thank you very much.
Alright, I'm sleep now. I'm tired, man. Tired, but I'm hungry, but I have to wait till the morning and make up me eat. Because if I eat now, I'll wake up and feel more.
I'm glad you buy the medication because hit me go figure ask you if you did buy them. But thank you, my son.
Oh, you know, so I have your back.
Thank you very
You have my
much.
full support, man. You know that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good night.
All right.
You okay? I like it.
It's nice, but I want to go on the beach.
Going on the beach? Alright, let's take a walk then. You know, it's been a while. Me have such a great time.
I see, I mean, I really appreciate all of this.
Like, you're so beautiful, and this even makes it more beautiful. Like, to sit down on the beach and actually have a decent walk and a decent conversation. This is nice. And this is sexy, and I'm even getting hot. Like, so hot. Feel like I would take a swim, but anyways, you know what I'm saying? Guess what?
What?
Let's make it even more special. Let's take it to meet my mom.
So soon?
Don't worry about it. It's not soon.
No,
Sooner
man.
the better. Listen, I'm serious about you. I'm really, really serious about you. You know?
I'm not so good with in-laws.
Come on. You won't regret it. Trust me. Trust me. Listen, this would mean so much to her. She would actually love it. She would love it. Trust me. Because she even motivated me to go out and actually get a girlfriend. I mean, you are the one I'm actually happy. Please, just please, listen. Let's go meet her.
I just because of you, me I do this, you know.
We won't take long. Let's just go and come on. Please. Come on.
So take time, maybe.
I am taking my time. I am taking my time. I'll give you a massage and the wind. Alright, give me a minute. I'm going to get my mommy and come up here.
Alright.
Alright, man. I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
I know you're very picky, but I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Don't worry yourself. Come. Come pick.
Alright, my son.
No peeking. Come. No peeking. No peeking. No peeking.
I want to carry a bag for me.
Mommy, you still get a car. I don't recheck, but you didn't tell me, say. But look. Ready? Surprise.
Who is this?
So, mommy, this is Shay. Shay, this is my mommy, my loving mommy. She loves me dearly. I
Nice
do
to
no wrong in
meet
her
you.
eyes.
Nice meeting you too. You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
So, yeah, mommy, we was on the beach and we say, we are going to look for you. This is a surprise, so.
Okay, you can have a seat. Come. Sit right here. So, Shay, where are you from?
I'm from Clarendon.
You're from Clarendon.
Yes.
Okay. I'm happy to have you in my family. A long time, my son did want one girlfriend. And me also need some grandchildren. You understand? So, I hope you take care of my son. He's a very nice person.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm going to take care of him. Promise you that.
I never want no kids, but I want kids now. Like her mommy.
All right. Make sure you say, want to live good as a happy family.
We never really come to spend the whole day. We just care come to introduce her. I want a little date with the dep on here. But she alright, man. Me really like her, man. There's just something about her. I'm just really like her. But don't worry yourself, man. Alright. Alright, mommy. So we have to go here.
It was very nice meeting you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, mommy.
take care.
I so come. Yeah? Alright. Mommy, my sweet mother. You know, I was wondering if, since I really like her, I really like her, and I was actually wondering if she could like come and stay with me some of the nights because she work and like on the weekends she day here and she work during the week, so she should have just come spend the weekend with me. I don't know, I'm just asking for your approval, mommy. Please, mommy, please. I really like her. She's very nice. And I'm happy. I've never been so happy in my life until I met her.
Okay. She can come. She seems like she's a nice person. And as long as my son is happy, I am happy.
Thank
So
you.
you can bring her.
Yeah! I'll call her a no! Yeah! Babe, you see this YouTube channel of them quack on Paradise Station?
Yeah.
Quack by the
So this a girl that said so.
The girl have man and going back.
And that me I wonder.
Everyone then take a bush.
Man really no pardon no man.
Oh my God.
How your name? Belly and Bang.
Belly and Bang TV.
She crying the door. You can't manage that. Don't feel like up this.
They never do this. You can't even make her no mother. So you do this.
Come man, try light before you open up this here. You have to take a little time. You see, you have to dry in here. Soaking it a bit. Let it back home. All I made no man, made the weed. Because I talk to it, you know. Talk back to it. No let out this so quick.
No, don't.
Go on here again. All I made with it. Talk back to it.
What am I saying to it?
No man, you don't have to reply. It a talk to you. No talk back to it, just answer. Yes, babe. That is it. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, to talk to you. Yes, babes.
How are you going so?
Mommy, take a job.
Mommy, not your time.
I want to him.
Take a job. Mommy.
Hello.
Cool
I am not speaking to you.
Mommy, cool out.
What wrong with me, son? What to you?
Not do him.
Mommy.
Not do him.
Oi.
Oh, no.
What is in your hand?
Cool out.
So you're really out here, so sit down and smoke on my veranda with your woman?
Mommy. Come on, mommy. I'm a big man.
Yes.
I am old enough to smoke. I am old enough to smoke, mommy. I love you. Go inside.
No, something wrong with my son. What you do to my son?
Nothing not doing Miss Candy.
Mommy, you need to get up and come inside because I want to talk to you. You is no different
You're
from
sick,
me.
you know, remember say you're sick. You want to catch Gaita? Stop it and go inside go lay down and weed.
Me sick, yes. But that no mean so if you sit down out here so they smoke. I don't know say it will affect me. And you should have known better because you know you used to smoke around me.
Did you
but it look
take your
like this girl
medication,
turning an idiot. Medication? You know how long me tell us if you buy it because it's finished? You don't have no money every day all of a sudden. You take it to buy weed.
Don't do that. Do not do that. And me buy me weed and it's good for me. So go on inside and nobody inhaling too much of this.
So to me sick. Me must make you and my son smoke and make it affect me worse.
Mother,
so hospital don't want me reach.
Alright, come and carry in the back room.
Oh, sit down.
No. Mom.
See how me want come out here so God give me the strength. God will give me the strength to go around. But me can't believe say you a foul person bring woman in my house to come smoke. The tone is one of a kind. Don't worry about it. Me sick and God will help me. You don't have no money to buy me medication, but the Lord will provide.
Two of a kind. Two of a kind.
It's a shame and disgrace to me.
Two of a kind, mommy. Two of a kind. Oh, yeah, dear. One of that. One of the same.
How much you get your nails done?
I'm not doing my nails do right now.
Right.
In the next week, about $6,000 to do it.
6,000?
Mm-hmm.
Like when I cram in my back, you know.
Like that for me, man. My friend when they say I go buy me a couple suit of clothes.
My babes, I know see a monthly me get paid. What you talking about?
Every time I get one money, I spend it for your mother.
But she's sick, and you know this.
But when people reach a certain age, if you make them rest away.
You're not serious?
Yeah.
You could have never serious. Take it back. Because you could have never seriously said that. What if you say them something there?
Okay, now they have black card, white card, color. Any art to just give me.
Welcome, cuz.
Hey, there, boy.
Good evening.
Evening, brother. Cuz, I have something I want to talk to you about differently.
Alright, babes.
Why not?
Yeah, come.
I know why if you wife up that.
Huh?
A girl was sell front of a pink house that.
What that about, man?
The whole neighbor buy Franny. Then the girl sell front like flying. Take it from me and me buy some too.
Where that about? Brother, that the girl a restaurant she work. Restaurant work she do. Night shift. 24-hour restaurant she say she work. So don't tell me nothing. A lie, a wrong somebody you talk about. You think me I either go take up one girl we do them as you look for me?
Listen what me I say. Restaurant where? 24/7 where? A pink house. She a walk. No tell her I say me tell her that though. But me tell her it's a bad girl to take up. Every man see a road. The way you do cause.
Brother, stop them bullshit. I don't know about mind to make she hear I chat them to my head.
It's a cause.
That's a really I saw that come.
No, I said, I can't look you for. But my friend, when we see her, cause we are doing here, you want people laugh off of you.
Brother, stop telling me nonsense, brother.
You don't believe me?
Brother, just I read.
You don't believe me? Alright, go and ask her. I'm not talking about the one I can't link you for. Go and ask her. Go and ask her.
Let's see you do a one, yeah.
Go and like start.
How you calling Kevin? See how it looks so. I can smell shit.
Can I ask you something?
Partner?
When I say you leave here at daytime, nighttime, which way you go?
What do you mean, which part we go?
Yeah, which way you like? You say you're going to work and you say you work at a restaurant.
Yeah.
Restaurant. At nighttime.
Nighttime, daytime.
What kind of restaurant that is?
Don't have choice.
Don't have choice.
Mm-hmm. Our.
What you sell there? Food.
Yeah, we don't sell a restaurant, no food and drinks also.
I want to ask you something. I'm going to be total honest with you. My cousin just tell me say she's him see her a pink house. Something goes on? I sell front.
How many pink house? Like when a house in pink.
Shay. Cut the crap. Is it true that I that to do?
Man, you take pressure on my brain now, man.
Me just ask you a question though.
You want to know the truth?
Yes.
You want to know? If I was working at a restaurant, how would I get multiple wigs to put on my head? I do escort services with top class, man.
What that mean? What that mean, Shay? Shay, what that mean?
Stop being like an idiot.
Shay. I guess my mother was right.
Everything you talk about your mama. How your mama reach in this?
You don't even understand what I go through my head right now. My mother was really right. Say you wasn't the one. And you really isn't the one. Because things say me would I really take up a girl and do them something, eh?
Alright, mama's boy.
Mama's boy. The best thing you do, you just take up your stuff them. Better it. Stairs. Leave.
I am going to leave your place, mama's
Shay,
boy.
leave.
Mama's boy. You go sorry for me. Say me, nobody like me, boy. Go on by your business. I shall poison you and your mama.
I want to make you read Bible. What happened to you?
Mommy, I think I owe you a big apology. Something happened today. And I really owe you an apology. A big apology. Like, you was right about Shay, you know? You was right about Shay. And honestly, me can't tell you what she do. But me have to run her out today. I have to run her away. Like, literally. It come to my nerves. It come... Mommy, I am sorry that I never believed in you. And believe what you said about her. And you was right all along. I'm well all to you, mommy. Like, me really never ready for a relationship. And me think say she was the one and end up that she's not. And me that never, mommy, I promise, me that never make nothing come between me and you again, mommy. Like, seriously. Me feel so like a fool, mommy. Me sorry for make she really stand up and make she deal with her like that, mommy. I'm really sorry, but because you know, a long time you know in our relationship, and she just come and me just did blind by the whole relationship thing, mommy.
Don't worry yourself, my son. We all do make mistakes. I forgive you and I understand. But you believe in a God?
Yeah.
You better. Because it's like I go to my bed and it come to my mind saying that relationship not going to work out. You know where I'm coming from? Remember, I am sick, but God give me the strength to walk go down on my church sister yard. And you we don't let it talk about with your woman. After we don't talk about you, me and her start pray about the situation in your relationship. You see, God answer prayer. Now me come back and say the read Bible. Boy, you have to give your life to God. I love you, I forgive you, and don't worry yourself. You is my son. Nobody can come between us. You understand? So just forget about that. Girl come and girls go. You will get a better girl than that one. Another one I go come in your life. You hear what I say?
Thanks, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. I go freshen up now because I'm tired. I sit down there in the library whole time with her. I best her sister.
You feel better?
I feel a little stronger, you know, but not so fully, you know. Yes. She did give me a little food on her yard. So I have to go take my medication, you know. Alright.